Hello, brilliant minds. This is teacher Rabia Huma Imtiaz, MSc Physics from the GRADE Syllabus Hub. Today we will explore the wonderful world of MS Windows 10 in great detail. The moral of this lesson is that understanding the operating system helps us use our computers to learn and create amazing things every single day. In our digital age, computers are everywhere and they change how we work and learn. At the heart of every single computer is a very important software called an operating system. It is the backbone that controls all the hardware and software. Without it, your computer is just a box of plastic and metal doing nothing. Wow, that means the operating system is like the captain of a ship. Windows 10 was made by Microsoft, and it is one of the latest and best operating systems. It helps you use apps and the internet while keeping your device very secure. Let us look at the amazing features of Windows 10 in detail. First, we have the Start menu, which you open by clicking the little window icon at the bottom. It holds all your games, apps, and settings in one place. Inside the Start menu, you will see live tiles. These are colorful little squares that show you fresh updates like the daily weather or news without even opening the app. Oops, I forgot my homework. Do not worry, because Windows 10 has Cortana. Cortana is a smart digital assistant that listens to your voice. You can ask her to search the web, set important reminders, or even tell you a funny joke. Another great tool is the task view in virtual desktops. If your screen is too crowded, you can create separate workspaces for different projects by pressing the Windows Control and Ease together. Yes, I get it, this keeps our work very neat and organized. For browsing the internet, Windows 10 gives us Microsoft Edge. It is a fast web browser that has special security settings to keep your personal information safe. Down in the bottom right corner of your screen is the Action Center. It has a small speech bubble icon where you can see all your email, system alerts, and quick settings for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in one simple place. The main screen you see is called the desktop, which is your digital workspace. Windows 10 is very special because it combines the best things from older versions like Windows 7 and Windows 8. It gives you a unified interface, which means you get the same smooth experience on laptops, tablets, and mobile phones. It is so cool that one software works on all devices perfectly. It also has a feature called Snap Assist, which helps you put open windows side by side so you can do many tasks at the same time without any trouble. You can use the File Explorer to easily find and manage all your folders and files. The search bar helps you find anything on your computer quickly just by typing a keyword. In short, this operating system is a great platform for students of all ages to learn important skills for the modern tech-driven world. Learning all these detailed features will make you a computer expert very soon. Like and subscribe GRADE Syllabus Hub for more video.